Okay, let's take this question. The shortest distance between the line y minus x equals to 1 and curve x equals to y square is. Okay, so let me write the equation of line. First line given me here is y minus x equals to 1 and curve is x equals to y square and y equals to 1 plus x. Okay, and x equals to y square. So one thing is clear that whenever the distance is being asked in the question, then a simple funda will be used, that the distance will be minimum when the distance is measured along the perpendicular. The perpendicular inclination will be taken in these two, between these two curves, then that distance will be the minimum distance between these two curves. Okay, but for that thing, to understand that thing, we need to draw these curves. Okay, so I have drawn two curves here. It is y equals to 1 plus x. This point is basically 1, 0, 1, and this is the curve y square equals to x, or you can say x equals to y square. Okay, so what I'll do, I have to find out the perpendicular distance between this line and a point on the curve, at which if I draw a tangent to it, the slope will be equals to this line, so that I can find out the perpendicular distance between this curve and this line. So let me consider that this point is x comma y, and here the tangent will be equals to the inclination of the tangent will be equal to the inclination of this line. So let me find out the point x comma y. So I will differentiate it. 2y y dash equals to 1, y dash equals to 1 by 2y. If I consider it x1 y1, then it will be easily understood, and at x1 comma y1 it will be equals to 1 by 2 y1. And you can see that the slope of this line is 1, y equals to mx plus c, m is 1 here, so 1 by 2 y1 equals to 1, and the point, the ordinate of that coordinate, the y coordinate of that point will come out to be as half. Okay, so if y1 is half, then x1 will be half square, means 1 by 4. So the point will be half, this point come out to be 1 by 4 and half. Okay, now I have the point, and the thing remains is the distance between this point and this line. So I just drop a perpendicular from this point to this and will measure its distance. So I know the formula of perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from 1 by 4 to half will be, at this line will be 1 by 4 minus half plus 1 under root of 2. Okay, this will be, this line is basically x minus y plus 1, or you can say y minus x minus 1. Anyhow, it will give you the same result. So this will come out 1 by 4 minus half will be minus half, minus 1 by 4, and 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So it will be 3 by 4, and this is root 2, so this is 3 by 4 root 2. Okay, so this is my answer, but there is nothing given here as in the form of 4 root 2. So if you can see that here is 8, so if I multiply with the root 2 denominator and numerator, then I'll get 3 root 2 upon 8. So my answer is C, and the concept is here. I have explained it to you, and if you see this question again, then I think you will be able to do these kind of problems. Okay.